Hi there, this is a teaching coming to you from the Training Place of Excellence, and it's a teaching on prepaid income. Prepaid income is an amount received in advance for a sundry income which relates to an accounting period after the year end. So that means you may have maybe a property that you're renting in addition to your day-to-day normal trade, hence we call it sundry income, and you receive the income, the money, the funds on a periodic basis. If that is the case, we want to see, have you received that income for the entire year? If you have received the income over and above beyond your financial year end, that means somebody has paid you in advance and it stands as prepaid income. Prepaid income is a liability in your hands, and it says to us, in accounting for prepaid income, the effect that needs to occur will be to reduce the overpayment in income in an attempt to account for only the income earned in the accounting period, and then to increase the liability in that accounting period, recognizing that the business acts as a custodian of that amount paid in advance. So it should not be accounted for as income. Rather, it is a liability in the hands of the business until it earns the amount of money. So the fact that you have come to pay me for January, February, and March doesn't make that 3 months money become income to me in the 3 months period. If you're still in January, you are supposed to account for income of 1/3 of the money you received, and that will represent income for January. When you come to February, then you would have earned income for January and February. When you come to March, then you would have earned income for January, February, and March. The fact that they gave you the money in advance doesn't make it income in the same single month that they have paid you the money, prepaid income. And the double entry to account for that adjustment will be to debit your income account. That will have the impact of reducing the income, and then you credit prepaid income. Prepaid income is a liability in your hands. Let's look at an exercise. It says to us, you are working on the accounting records of a manufacturing business for the year ended 30th of June X6. You are looking at the rental income for the year, and this shows receipts for the following periods. It then says to us, calculate the value of the adjustment required for the rental income account as at 30th of June 20x6 and show the journal entry needed for the relevant adjustment. Remember, your year end is 30th of June x6. Again, very important to connect with your year end. June x6 is my year end. So I want to make sure that I've picked up all of the income that I have earned up to June X6 and not after June X6. And you will notice the first item there says to me July to July X6. So that is 1 month in advance. I need to remove 1 month income from that £1,105. Then you have July X5 to September X6. That again is beyond my year end, which is June. July, August, and September, in this case 3 months, is paid to me in advance. Remember, we're talking of rental income. So for the first one, they have overpaid me by £85, 1 month proportion of income. July to July is 13 months. So I'm looking for 1 month's proportion, the proportion that relates to July. And the next One is July to September. That represents 15 months. And that has gone beyond my financial year. So I am looking for the 3 months proportion of income. 3 months proportion of income is what is prepaid income to me right now. Altogether is 403. And that £403 is what you will now need to raise an adjustment for. What adjustment? Prepaid income. Prepaid income. What impact am I looking for? I want to remove it from my income account. If we want to remove anything from income account, remember income is a credit balance. Removing any amount would then be debiting the income account. In this case, rental income will be debited with £403, and then you will credit your liability, which is prepaid income, with that same amount. I hope this has been useful. The rest of it is keep studying, keep working hard, and keep excelling. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, follow us, like us, and connect with us on all social media platforms. Adios, laters.